Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. We begin with a Primetime News exclusive. The lone passenger in the ill-fated car crash, which claimed the life of a policeman on the weekend, is speaking out this evening. Her story paints a damning picture of the emergency response to the crash. Kirk Wright has the details.
The female who requested that we conceal her identity says she's speaking out because of what she described as misinformation in the media. She's refuting reports that Police Constable Donald Carr was speeding and was driving under the influence. The woman admitted that neither of them were wearing seatbelts and that they were flung from the car on impact. She recalled being unconscious after the crash, and she woke up to find herself on the grass. She said she could not see Constable Carr as she was unable to move, but recalls hearing him making a choking sound on the grass not far from her. She, however, managed to reach his cellular phone after hearing it ring and asked the person on the other end to call the police. When they finally arrived, their actions surprised her.
About an hour had passed when two police finally arrived. They said they're from the Ferry police station. I said, officer, numerous times before him finally respond again. And I said, officer, you're not help him. No, wait, bring him going on the hospital. Him say, miss, when I have no gloves on, no bloody. I can't touch him right now. So I said, seriously?
She said about 3 minutes later, two men, not in uniform, stopped and identified themselves to the cops as soldiers. She said they showed more concern.
Two soldiers, one of them come. I guess he was wearing a scarf because he threw the scarf over me. And them asked me, all right, how I feel and something. The two police that came from Ferry, they did not do anything to assist. They were there focusing on the fact that they don't have any gloves. They were focusing on the fact that we were bloodied.
She said approximately 20 minutes after, another set of police arrived.
They were the one who actually started helping. And because I was conscious and aware of what was going on, they were going to take me first. So I said to them, no, take him first. I'll wait. I'm okay. I can wait.
She said the cops eventually moved him first in a service vehicle and then her minutes after in another.
When we reached down to the toll booth, there was an argument there. They did not want to let us through the toll. They were saying we had to pay the toll. So the police were there saying, this is emergency, this is police emergency. Eventually the vehicle that Mark was in, those police had to pay the toll. But the one that I was in, the police says that he was not going to pay it. To get everything started at the toll took somewhere about 5 minutes or so.
She remains baffled that it took the Ferry police to respond and not the St. Anne's police since the crash happened in the parish. She is laying blame at the police and toll operators for not getting Constable Carr to the hospital much sooner.
While at the hospital, I heard the doctors talking and they were saying that if only he had gotten there sooner. The accident happened somewhere between 8, 9, and we didn't arrive at the hospital until 12:30.
The female says the actions of the police have left her feeling bitter.
This just proved to me that our system is very broken.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.